Alright guys, we are about to finish our robot. In this video we're going to finish with the details that are in the front of his belly and in the back. This thing right here and this thing right here. So because we're going to create something that is in the back that we have on our reference image in our back view, we're actually going to need another reference image. So we're going to go ahead and make our reference image collection. We're going to make it clickable. So we're going to click this button right here. We're going to activate the selection. And now that we can click on it, we're going to select these right here. And we're going to duplicate it by pressing Shift D. And we're going to press Y to move it on the Y axis. I'm going to leave it there. Move it a bit back. And here we have to rotate it because if I look to this side, we won't see it. So I'm going to rotate it in the Z axis 180 degrees. And you will see that we need to move our robot to the side. So we're going to go into our image, image properties. We're going to go into Control 1, which is our back view. We're going to activate our X-ray mode. And now I'm going to move the offset so that it matches, like it's in the center, as centered as possible, which I think it's there. Alright, so now that we have it placed, we can go back and make this unclickable so that we don't select something that we don't want. We have our back view there and our front view right here. So first we're going to go with the front part of this thing that he has on his belly. So we're going to go into front view. We're going to add a cube. There. Go to edit mode, scale it down, move it upwards, move it to the front. And here we will scale it to what we need. So something like that. Scale it in this Z axis, move it. And then on the side we don't have a reference, so we're gonna go ahead and figure out where it should be. So we're gonna scale it down and just place it so that it goes into the geometry. I'm actually gonna scale it more, put it there. We have it. So now we're gonna create the thing that's in the middle, this right here. So in order to do that, we're gonna select the face that it's right in the front. So this face right here, we're only gonna select that. We're gonna go into front view and we're gonna press I and scale it down with S. So what this does, this tool, is the inset faces, which is like a different way of extruding a face. I really like it. We're gonna be using it a lot later. So this is another way to create more geometry and not only by creating loop cuts. So we're going to leave that like that. I'm actually going to move it forward a bit, upward a bit, and that's it. Now we go into the side view. This is flat, so we need to extrude it outwards. So we're going to press E and just move it to the front. There we have it. That's the last detail of the front. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same in the back. We're going to go into Control 1, add a cube, just like we did. Go to edit mode, scale it down, move it upwards, and now we're going to move it to the back. Control 1 again, go to X-ray mode, scale it down as you need it. And we're going to do the same. We're going to select, but first we're going to go into side view. We're going to scale it down in the Y axis. And we can see it here. So we're going to rotate it as we need it. And we're going to place it inside. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, Control 1. There we go. So now we're going to do the same. We're going to select this face in this case it's in the back, but it's like the front of our object. And we're going to press I. And we're going to scale it down to wherever we need. And that's it. We're gonna leave it there. Now we're gonna go into side view and we're gonna press E to extrude it outwards. And that's it. Guys, we have finished our robot. So everything is clean. We checked that everything goes well. I think it looks pretty neat. So we're gonna leave this right here. We have finished our first character, which is amazing. I'm very proud of you guys. We're done. We can continue with our next character now. Remember to name everything that you have created so far, to keep everything clean, and that's it. We are finished. So I'll see you guys in the next video, starting over with another character. So I'll see you then.